Hi friends, I'm gonna share with you this new album for your photos that I just buy in Amazon. This is color black. This texture is amazing. You can put the photo that you want in this part. You can change it, and you can put inside of this album 40 photos. Let me show you inside. Have this plastic protection with adhesive, so you put your photo inside, and with this metallic color pen that comes with your product, you can write wherever you want. Look, the color is like golden. So you just put your photos here, and you can close it again to protect your photos. And you do the same with all the pages of your album, and your photos will be totally protected and perfect across the time. So I highly recommended this album.